Hey, what's going on YouTube? My name is MXMods, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a CFG file with Notepad. As you can see, I want to make a zombies CFG file for World at War. I have a notepad right here. See? Notepad, zombies, whatever. I'll click File, Save As. And then you want to click Save As Type, All Files. You want to make it whatever you want, and then .cfg. You want to hit Save. And then it should save it to your desktop, but here, let me just change my name. Zombies CFG, and I hit save. Then it should save it to my desktop, and then once that's done, you want to delete this, and you'll have your CFG file. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe for more. Peace.